It's all bubble wrap. So when it arrives to the customer, lift it up the truck, put it on the ground, remove the brakes, lift the machine. Oh, it's also locked on bolted on the skid on the pallet. So those locks need to be removed, and then you can lift the machine off the pallet, put it on the ground, and there it can be those wheels are locked. So when you bring it inside, you can just unwrap it, plug the 110s in, and it's ready to use. It says in the manual that you should clean the glide rails from any dirt or dust, but now we pack them so well, so if they are sitting in containers, that's normally not necessary.
Okay.
So what we recommend to do when the customer gets the machine is to just briefly walk through the operator's manual that is shipped with the machine. It has some information about safety, the warning symbols, and the parts of the machine. So what we used to do is that we used to go through the safety details together with the customer. So that means that we have to put some power on, get the compressor going. On the other side, you will see we have the emergency stops. It's the red buttons here.
Yeah. And
we have the control levelers, controls the roller down and up again. When these levers are in just vertical, like this, it's in neutral position. Once you pull it down, it locks in the pressure position. In this position, it keeps on feeding the cylinders and the roller with air, meaning that it have a constant pressure. If you try to operate it from that side now, you can try.
like I'm going to go to lift it?
Yeah.
It won't work?
It won't work.
Right.
And that's a safety feature so that the operator that is really running the machine has control over the roller. If I press the emergency stop, it will automatically go up again. It's not able to be controlled. Even if I reset the emergency stop, it still doesn't work. So you need to push the reset button. It's this one. Now, and this is just for the reason that when we have it in this position, it will keep on feeding air. So if we would have reset, it will just hit down again.
And the question I have is when that roller comes down, it won't crush something, right? What's the pressure that roll puts on something? 70 pounds, is that what you were saying? Or is that just the air pressure?
70 psi is the air pressure.
Okay.
But underneath the roller, it creates about 200 pounds of pressure.
You don't want your fingers.
So you don't want your fingers there. I've tried 2 times, and it hurts.
But it didn't break your hand?
It didn't break my hand.
But if you put a piece of foam core, which is a very, very soft foam, it won't smash the foam core, right?
It will smash the foam core. That's why we have the gray control.
This here?
This one.
Oh, I didn't know that's what that is.
So that's.
I didn't read the manual yet.
That's for controlling the air pressure. You have the manometer showing the air pressure.
Yeah.
That is actually feeding the system right now. So that should be on about 4 bar 50 psi.
Yeah, it's closer. It's on 60 right now.
60.
4 bars are 60, correct?
So I would say just below 4 bars or around 50-55 psi is not normal work pressure. That works for most materials.
Oh, so you can adjust it from here. That's your adjustment.
If you work on a soft board like a foam core material, you would like to go down a little bit. So, but then you have to try. Then teach the customer how to try different pressures to get the nice result.
Yeah, so you could do a foam core, you just could be able to experiment and not crush the board or something.
It's about 2.5 bars, about 30 psi.